Our project is the Digital Cultures and Societies Initiative, which involves a lot of researchers across humanities and social sciences, working around a series of themes: digital cultures, platform societies, computational methods, and automation. And collectively, we're really interested in the ways in which digital media and technologies are transforming our society, what we're going to do about that, what it means for the ways in which we build a world together. It matters because digital technologies kind of move to the heart of our world in all sorts of ways. Like, as we move around the world, we have digital devices in our pocket. We're kind of tethered to digital media platforms nearly every second of every day. Our homes are full of intelligent devices. We're increasingly recognizable to digital media and technologies. Cameras recognize our faces, they track our movements. Governments, big corporations increasingly draw on enormous data sets to organize what they do in the world, how they track populations, how they target consumers, how they distribute resources, sometimes making decisions about healthcare or parole or the distribution of social benefits. And so it really matters that humanities and social science researchers are at the heart of this issue, because we need to develop digital technologies in ways that suit broader and reflect broader social values and cultural interests and identities. There's two things we're hoping to achieve through this initiative. On the one hand, it's really important that we, in a sense, invest in humanities and social sciences researchers, that we need to develop new ways of working, new ways of thinking. We need to learn to engage with digital tools, digital methods, digital systems in new ways. So we have to kind of change what the humanities and social sciences is. And that's a really important kind of outcome of this initiative. So in a sense, we're investing in our own kind of development as disciplines, as fields. But then secondly, if we do that, then it makes it much easier for us to go out and collaborate and work with disciplines, organizations, corporations, governments who are using these technologies, and be really central to the ways in which these technologies get used, get put to work in our world, so that when digital media, digital technologies are kind of being developed and used in our world, the voices, the values of humanities and social sciences researchers are kind of informing those practices from the get-go. What we're going to do over the next several years is animate all sorts of activity around our themes and focus areas. Some researchers will be working on the development of digital economies in Asia. Some will be working on misinformation and hate speech in our region. Others will be working on the ways in which digital technologies are increasingly kind of woven in to our intimate lives and relationships. So in all sorts of ways, researchers will be coming at all sorts of aspects of digital cultures and societies, and we'll be working together in those focus areas, developing projects. We'll have research fellows working alongside academics in the faculty, and really importantly, we'll be developing a digital research infrastructure that's partly gear, partly connecting us up with the university's larger research infrastructures, but also it's people, it's software developers and data scientists who will develop really rich collaborations with humanities and social science researchers and create a new kind of culture of digital research in the humanities and social sciences here.